What you see here is the GOF 1600 CE Professional, the powerful precision plunge router with LED lighting. It has a powerful 1600 watt motor with constant electronic and a plunge depth of 76 millimeters. The transparent sub-base and the LED lighting give you a perfect view of your workpiece. The parallel guide and the guide rail ensure maximum precision, and the dust extraction unit ensures dust-free working. The patented afterlock fine adjustment enables you to readjust the plunge depth even when a range has already been locked. The integrated spindle lock enables the router bit to be changed quickly and safely in a matter of seconds. In just a few steps, you can turn the GOF 1600 CE Professional into the GMF 1600 CE Professional, the powerful plunge and fixed base router. Copying jobs are no problem with the GMF 1600 CE Professional and the SDS template guide adapter. Whether you use the GOF 1600 CE Professional or the GMF 1600 CE Professional system expansion, precise work is made easy. Now available in the practical, unique L-Box.